Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Qoolfoto Green Screen Backdrop Kit. Consists of the following features. Green Screen Backdrop. The seamless green screen is machine washable and ironable, with double-sided functionality. Made from polyester material, it resists wrinkling. Note: the backdrop is shipped folded, steam ironing is recommended before use. Upgraded stand. The upgraded reverse folding stand features thicker tubing, providing a larger footprint for enhanced stability and durability. Adjustable T-shaped background stand. Tripod height freely adjustable from 3.9 feet to 6.5 feet, with a width of 5 feet. Offers excellent flexibility, allowing users to set the ideal height for their needs. Simple assembly. 4 horizontal poles connect via ropes, allowing tool-free assembly in under 3 minutes. Folds for easy portability with a carrying case for outdoor shoots. Versatile usage. This green screen background kit is ideal for vlogging, TV broadcasting, gaming, VR, Zoom meetings, live streaming, professional photography, interviews, and more. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.